If you're making YouTube money and want to switch to a business AdSense account for tax reasons, here's how to exactly do it. Switching to a business AdSense account lets you receive payments under your LLC or company name. Simply just use your EIN instead of your social security number. But here's the catch. Google doesn't let you convert a personal AdSense to a business AdSense. You have to create a brand new AdSense account under your business since it's seen as a different entity. You'll need a separate Google account for the business. Go to adsense.google.com and create a new account with your company details, such as the company name, address, EIN, and bank information. Make sure it's your business bank information. If you don't have that, you should create one. Then go to your YouTube studio, then monetization, and click settings. Here, you have to click change AdSense account and link the new business AdSense account that you made. YouTube may pause monetization temporarily while the switch is reviewed. Once it's approved, your revenue will go to the business account instead of your personal account. Subscribe if this helped.